What is going on, everyone? My name is Jason, and this is the see-through iPhone 10. So an interesting design concept that originally followed the bezel-less smartphone movement is this idea of a transparent phone. I remember when the iPhone 10 was first launched, this particular wallpaper was super popular as it was a really cool way of personalizing your phone, especially with that glorious, unadulterated OLED display. And who'd have thunk that a logic board, a battery, and other smartphone components would look so beautiful? It's not surprising then that phones like the new HTC U12 is catching a lot of eyes with its semi-transparent design, which may turn into a trend come 2019. Well, if you can't wait that long and you don't want to risk breaking your phone with a complicated mod, Slickwraps came out with a dope new transparent skin that turns your phone from this to this, and all for less than 30 bucks. Now this isn't even out to the public yet, but Slickwraps was cool enough to send me out not one, but 5 of these for the iPhone 10, so I'll be giving them away to a few of you guys. Details on the giveaway at the end of this video. Now before we get into the review, if you're into checking out the latest consumer tech products before you buy them, or if you're just a tech head like me, I make a video like this every single week, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so you can be the first to know when a new JSL review is out and you don't miss anything. That being said, let's check out the skin. Okay, so when you open up the package from Slickwraps, you're greeted with the classic Slickwraps sticker, you got a company Snapchat QR sticker in here, a nice microfiber cloth that's critical for the install, and because this is for the iPhone 10, you get not one, but 2 skins included in the package. One is just for the back glass portion of the phone, and the other one is a full coverage skin that covers the stainless steel border around the phone. Now first and foremost, let's just take a moment to recognize the insane print job that Slickwraps was able to accomplish on these skins. This is some serious high-res imaging, and the color rendition is on point. The amount of detail here is impressive, and I like how it has this glossy finish. Almost kind of gives off the impression that it's covered with some sort of reflective plexiglass material. Now I usually always put on the skins that cover both the back and the sides of my phone, but this time I'm actually going to put the one that just covers the back. I feel like it'll better capture that transparent look, and plus I want to show you just how easy this thing is to install. No heat gun or hair dryer necessary for this one. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is clean the back of your iPhone. You can use the microfiber cloth that Slickwraps includes in the package, and you want to make sure that you do a thorough wipe down, as dust or residue can impact the end result once you get this thing out. Once you're done cleaning off your phone, remove the main part of the skin, but reattach most of it to the adhesive paper so it only reveals the top portion of the wrap. This will help you avoid it from inadvertently sticking on things when you're trying to get this thing lined up. You want to line up the camera cutout and make sure that it lines up the top corners as well. You really want to take your time here, as this is really the only way to try and get a sense if the skin is going to line up correctly. Once you feel as though you have a confident placement, press down on the top portion of the skin onto the back of the phone, use smooth strokes to avoid bubbles, and once you have it firmly on the phone, remove the adhesive paper from the rest of the skin and gently lay the skin completely on the back of the iPhone. Again, do your best to do it in one smooth motion and press out any air bubbles before taking the microfiber cloth and firmly pressing down the entire wrap. Now the next step is optional, and that's the skin for the camera. It's not absolutely necessary to get the transparent look, but if you want to get it on, the best way to do it is to keep half the skin on the adhesive paper again and carefully line it up around the camera lenses. You need to be extra careful here and make sure that you don't accidentally cover up the mic that's part of the camera housing. So again, take your time with this one, but once you feel you got a good fit, remove the rest of the skin, press it down, and once you do, this is what the phone will look like. Man, I don't know about you guys, but I am so impressed with how this came out. Probably the most unique look my phone has ever had, and at the same time, by far the easiest skin I've ever installed. Again, the attention to detail is pretty insane, especially with the skin on. I mean, the print is so well done, it looks 3-dimensional. And I swear, people are going to look at your phone and wonder how in the hell you took off the back panel. That's how real this looks. Now, if you really want to rock that transparent look, pair the skin with the transparent wallpaper, and you may legitimately have a hard time differentiating the front and the back of the phone. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Slickwraps was awesome enough to send me out this skin before officially launching it on their website, and I've got 4 extras here for the iPhone 10 that I'm going to be giving away. It's super simple to sign up. Just make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and leave a comment on what you guys think of the skin. There's a link in the description that will take you to the giveaway site. It's totally free and open to everybody. I'll be announcing the winners on Twitter, so make sure that you guys are following me there. Okay, that's about it for this review. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. It really helps me out. Good luck with the giveaway. My small way of saying thanks to all of you guys for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.